I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, we will learn how can we design our own ExpressVI. So for that, first we need to write one program. Let's start program writing. So for that, open your LabVIEW. Right click in the front panel. First we will design one arithmetic program. Okay, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division based arithmetic program. Numeric A, B, indicator, result. Then after we need one action. So for that I will use this enum action. Right click in the block diagram, right click and open the edit item section. Now first one is the addition, second one is subtraction, third one is multiplication, and fourth one is divide, and fourth one is division. Okay, so now we have 4 cases. Hit the OK button. After that, now take one case structure here. Connect with the action. Now you will get addition by default and subtraction also. Right click here, come into numeric and take 4 functions: addition functions, subtract functions, multiply functions, and divide functions. Let's make connection like this. Good. After that, add case after and add case after. In the multiplication, take multiply, now connect this last one, divide. Our program has ready. Select all. Now convert it into the sub VI. Double click and open. First right click here, disconnect all terminal. After that, come into the pattern and select 3 input, 1 output. Okay, also this one also we can use. So we will use this one. Click here, A, B, this one is for the action and this one is for result. Now try to save this program. Save. I am going to save it in my VI, inside the VI. I am going to save it. Okay, so I want to save inside the VI, D drive VI. Okay, and my program name will be, sub VI name will be arithmetic sub VI. Sorry, only arithmetic VI. Okay, now let's close all those things. Our program has done and set all those things. After that, close your LabVIEW. Come into this getting started window. Now click on the tool, come to advanced. You will get this create or edit ExpressVI. Tools, advanced, create or edit ExpressVI. Click here. you will get this create or edit Express VI dialog box. After that, click here for new. When you will click here new, so you will get three things. Okay, create from a VI, create from Express VI, create from a blank VI. So this one is good because we had already created our VI. So select this one and hit the next button. Then select your VI, arithmetic VI, which I have designed. Now you can see there are three input and one output. One is action, that's numeric data type. A is numeric and B is also a numeric data type, and last one is result. Then hit the next button. I am going to place here arithmetic Express VI. Arithmetic Express VI. Finish. Now again, create to edit Express VI will open. Okay. So now do one thing. There is arithmetic is present. Now you can see here the arithmetic is present. Okay. This one, the source, and this one is configuration. Now click here and take one new VI. Close this one if you want to validate. Okay. Now you can close. Right click here in the block diagram. Right click and come into select of VI. When you will click the select of VI, so after that, let's go to the C. It is common for all. C drive. Come into the program file x86. Double click. Come down and search National Instruments. There is a National Instruments, and go to the inside LabVIEW 2019. Inside the LabVIEW 2019, you will get this user library. So in this user library, you will get this Express VI. Inside this Express VI, this arithmetic configurations and arithmetic source. First I need to delete this two. Double click and open. Now you need one source file. So configure arithmetic and OK. Just a second. Select a VI, configurations. OK. And take source. Now this is your Express VI. Okay, this is my Express VI which I had designed. Okay, and I didn't put all those things in the selection area. Selection area and others. So it's look like this. So it is my Express VI, and let's try to check it is working or not. Okay. So this is my arithmetic VI. Right click, create control A, create control B, action, control, and result. So it is the first step to design Express VI. In the next video, I will teach you how can we create a full configured Express VI. Okay. So now we can check first addition for division, multiply, and subtract. So thank you for watching this video. You can also design your Express VI by following this process. In the next video, I will improvise and I will show you how can we design full configure Express VI. So you can also open it and you can configure the things from inside. Okay, you can put the value here and other things. So thank you for watching this video.